Hi, my name is Venices Britolino and this is my presentation. For bat, I thought about a baseball bat, so that's a picture of a bat. For plane, I thought about an airplane, so that's what I put. For ant, I thought about the Ants movie. Crane, I thought about the bird crane, so I put a picture of that. For date, like a date night came up, like to mind. So that's the picture. For bow, I thought about a bow tie. So I put a picture of a suit and bow tie. For ball, I thought about like a ball pit. So I put a picture of just a lot of balls from a ball pit. For flower, the first thing that came to mind was white roses. So that's the picture there. For hair, I just thought about my own hair, which is like dark brown, black. So I put a picture of that color of hair. And then for mail, I just thought about like an email, so I just put the email logo. And that's it.